This course will open your eyes to the wonderful, creative, experimental world of cyanotypes. You'll discover how a simple photographic technique can become one of the most powerful and accessible processes you teach. The objective of this training is to learn what a cyanotype is, how to confidently prepare and coat paper with a class, and how to turn testing and experimentation into meaningful learning. To explore making cyanotypes with found objects, translucent materials, and acetate negatives, showing how this process naturally teaches composition, observation, and thoughtful decision making. To gain an understanding of the history and chemistry behind cyanotypes. This course is about process over perfection, about curiosity over control, and about giving students permission to experiment, take risks, and embrace the unexpected. Along the way, you'll gain practical classroom strategies, clear explanations, and the reassurance that cyanotypes are forgiving, flexible, and deeply rewarding to teach. By completing the tasks in the course, you'll create a wonderful selection of cyanotypes that illustrate different ways of working, and this will become a teaching resource that you can use for the rest of your career. Whether you're new to cyanotypes or looking to refine your approach, this course will leave you feeling confident, inspired, and ready to bring something genuinely magical into your classroom. The list of materials you require to complete this training is in the description of this video. I use a UV light box, but you can also use UV lamps or, if you're lucky enough, sunshine. If you're interested in making your own UV light box for the classroom, I have a course showing you how to do this. There is a huge selection of resources included with this training, which you'll print before starting the course. Some of these need to be printed onto acetate. You'll then be able to use these resources in the classroom with your students. If you purchase the video individually, you get lifetime access. If you access it via a subscription, you can watch it as many times as you like whilst the subscription is active. Either way, you can take your time completing it. The video is 1 hour and 10 minutes long, but you need to allow 12 hours to complete the tasks within. This allows for coating paper, experimentation, and exposure time. Of course, you can complete this in your own time at your own pace, pausing whenever you wish. When you reach the end of the video, you will be able to download a certificate that will have your name, the name of the course, and the duration on it. The duration will be 12 hours. Watch the course now and bring cyanotypes into your classroom with confidence.